So good day everyone. So we have a problem on the test. So we have number 86. The efficiency of the riveted joint is the ratio of A, strength of the riveted joint to strength of unriveted plate. So B, sharing strength of rivet to strength of unriveted plate. So C is crushing strength of rivet to strength of unriveted plate. So dito D is stirring strength of plate to strength of unriveted plate. So the answer is letter A, sharing strength of rivet to strength of unriveted plate. So tatay yung efficiency is equals to strength of riveted joint over strength of solid plate. So the answer is A. And 87, a tie bar is to carry a load of 10 times 10 to the power of n Newton. So what should be the width of the bar of 20 mm thickness? If there is a rivet hole of 30 mm diameter on its center line, so that A is 46 mm, B is 75 mm, C 92 mm, and D is 112 mm. So the answer is letter C. So we have a solution of this. So we have the solution of 100,000 is equals to B minus 30 times 20 and times 80. So 100,000 is equals to 16 times B minus 30. So B minus 30 is equals to 62.5. So atong B is 92.5 mm. And number 8 is calculation for the pitch of the riveted joint are made by equating A, tearing strength of the plate to the shearing strength of the rivet. B, shearing strength of the rivet to its crushing strength. And C is tearing strength of the plate to crushing strength of the rivet. Letter D is shearing strength of the rivet to strength of the solid unriveted plate. So the answer is letter A, tearing strength of the plate to the shearing strength of the rivet. So why A? So A is tearing strength of the plate to shearing strength of the rivet. Number 89, so a riveted joint has a tearing efficiency of 50%. So corresponding to that, the ratio of the pitch to the diameter of rivet equals A 1, B 1.5, C 2, D 3. So solution to that is equals to efficiency is equals to P minus B over P. So ito is 0.5. So 0.5 equals P minus B over P. So 0.5 times P is equals to P minus B. So ito is 0.5P. Ito ipagawa sa P, may say 5 over P is equals to 2. And last number is 90. The efficiency of the single riveted lap joint lives in the range. So A is 25 to 40%, B is 45 to 65%, C is 65 to 75%, D is 75 to 85%. So the answer is B, 45 to 65%. So single riveted lap joint generally has low efficiency because only one row of rivets is used and eccentric loading occurs. So the answer is B. That's correct.